Very useful tip how to prevent a brake fluid from leaking and dripping when you're going to replace a brake caliper or brake line. Let's get started. Pretty simple, as you can see. I got just a rubber glove wrapped around the end of the brake line and zip tied at the end, and now it's not leaking, not dripping, it's staying clean, and I have tons of time to do the brake hose. And as you can see, only few drops I had, and yeah, I'm going to put a new line, clean, dry. A little bit came out when I was doing the glove, and I have new brake line installed, all in place. It's not leaking. Yeah, simple, easy tip how to do it and not creating a mess. And if you have any brake fluid on the metal parts, clean it with a brake clean. Alright, simple. Yeah, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.